This is a step-by-step film for NIBE UPLINK, and all you need to do to get started with your NIBE UPLINK is follow these 10 simple steps. The first step is checking that your system supports NIBE UPLINK. You can do this by going to nibeuplink.com/check. Here you can enter the serial number of your system. Step 2 is registering an account on nibeuplink.com. There's a button for this located at the bottom of the page. After registering, you will receive an email to the address you entered. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. Insert the Ethernet cable to the cable on the back of the system, as seen here. First time, after connecting the network cable, you will get a pop-up where you have to confirm that you want to connect your system to the internet. Push the OK button to confirm or pull the Ethernet cable to abort. Wait until the globe symbol appears next to the heat pump in the main menu. Then proceed with the following on the system. Rotate the dial on the control system to highlight My System, menu 4, and press OK. Then select Plus Functions, followed by OK. Select Internet, select NIBE UPLINK, then request a new connection string by highlighting that option, and make sure to make note of both the string and serial number, as shown in the display. Log in at nibeuplink.com. Select Connect System. Type the serial number from the system and also the connection string, and select Find System. If the system is found, a box will appear with information about your system. Enter a name and the address for your system and press Connect. Your account is now connected and can be seen under My Systems. In order to change certain settings or to see a complete history of your system, Premium is required. Download the app for your smartphone at App Store for iPhone or iPad, or Google Play for Android. Start the app and log in with the same account as you registered at nibeuplink.com. The app requires your permission to both read and to make changes to your system. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. For more information, please go to our website.